To set up your wallet, Apple Cash, is that you need first to locate to your settings in your iPhone. Next is you need to tap this. You need to find the wallet in Apple Pay, then tap Apple Cash. Now it will say that it is not set up, then you should press on that and add on card. You should add card, then it will appear right here. The balance on your cards will go to your Apple Cash, and now you have this a virtual card that you can use to send money to your friends, or even transactions like going to shopping online. So after you have pressed on the Apple Cash, it will say that it has a setup for Olivia or whatever your name is on your iPhone. So yes, that's all. You have this balance that was from your payment cards. After that, you can now send or request money from your Apple Cash or your virtual card from iPhone.